Hi friends! Thank you so much for joining me today for another video. So today's video is going to be pretty simple. I'm just going to be reviewing one product and it is the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. This is a new mascara by Maybelline that I saw displayed, and this video was requested by one of my awesome and lovely beauty fan members, Unicorn Cute. Girly, thank you again for just requesting another video that I can have fun with, and I really appreciate your ideas. So yep, I hope you like this review video, and it's just gonna be simple. I am a mascara junkie. I love mascara and I'm very particular about what I'm looking for in a mascara, so I'm pretty excited to try this mascara out. And if you guys want to hear what I think about it and how it just looks on my Asian lashes, then just keep on watching. Oh, real quick though, if you are new, welcome! I'm so excited that you found me somehow through this video. I do encourage you to join the Breath of Beauty family because we really are a good bunch. Alright, now let's get on with the mascara review. Okay, so I don't really have any mascara on. I might have like residual mascara on just from, you know, the end of the day, and I just took it off with makeup remover and I put some eyeliner on. Otherwise, it's pretty bare, so hopefully it's gonna be a good representation of how this product works on my eyes. So this mascara is called Total Temptation. It says full fluffy lashes, 85% saw bold, full volume, no overload, and 92% saw lengthened lashes, and 4 out of 5 love their lash look. That sounds like, you know, something that I would want. I want volume, I want length, and I preferably want separation as well. I'm not the type of girl that likes clumpy looking lashes. Some girls love it and I think it looks gorgeous on other people, but for me it's not the best look to sport. Let's just see how this mascara looks like on my eyes. This is actually 4 out of 5 stars in rating. I don't know what that means, but it says so addictive, so I don't know, hopefully it's addictive for me as well. Just to give you guys a reference of what kind of mascaras I like, my favorite are the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot, you know, that mascara that comes in a golden tube with like purple font. And I also really like the L'Oreal Lash Paradise for that natural fluffy lengthened look that holds curls really well. And my final favorite is the Lash Sensational Mascara by Maybelline. And keep in mind, I like my mascara to be waterproof because I find that waterproof mascaras, first of all, I have pretty watery eyes and I don't want mascara falling to the lower lash line and getting all smudgy. And second of all, I really think that the waterproof formula holds the curl really well. So I always make it a point of finding the waterproof version. Just for this mascara though, I somehow couldn't find the waterproof version. I bought this at Ulta for like $9.99. Hopefully if they have a waterproof version, if I like it, I'll get my hands on it, and I bet I'll like that formula. Oh, by the way, I did get the very black color. I just have naturally pretty dark hair, so I like getting very black as my mascara color. So let's just now open the packaging. So I kind of really like the feel of this mascara tube. It's got that matte feel, you know, like a matte velvety smooth feel, so I kind of like that. It just has like a strange kind of body. It's a bit flat but round at the same time, and if you open it, oh wow, the wand is actually slightly curved and it's really fluffy at the same time. Can you guys see how it's like rounded? You can see a slight curve. It's nothing really obvious, but nevertheless the bristles are pretty fluffy. These are the type of bristles that I like using when I want like just really fluffy soft lashes. Usually I like using mascaras with like rubber bristles because that separates my lashes like crazy, but I really still like full fluffy bristles like this for like a nice, really fluffy, beautiful lash look. So let's just go ahead and put it on my eyes just to let you guys know that's what my natural lashes are looking like right now. It's pretty, I don't know, nothing really special. I wouldn't say I'm like lacking a huge amount in the lash department, especially for my jeans. It's a bit sparse, but it's still got, you know, decent length for me. At least for me. Okay, so let's now just go ahead and apply this mascara and just see how it looks. I will apply it on my right eye first. Just keep in mind though, I do have pretty different eyes, and because of the difference of my eyes, one eye may look a little more like lengthened in the lashes naturally than the other eye. So for example, I usually have like my right eye looking like it has longer lashes than my left eye. So I guess I'll just apply it on my left eye just to kind of like offset that difference. So I'm gonna just comb through my lashes. I feel that like blinking while you apply your lashes makes it really nice for the separation of your lash. Alright you guys, so that is with one coat on this eye. As you can see, it separated pretty well and it lengthened as well. It looks like it did volumize and lengthen. I do like my lashes to be a tad bit darker than this, but I think that the separation is really amazing. It's got that perfectly like dry enough formula where it separates really well and it doesn't clump your lashes together, and the bristles really evenly distribute the mascara product on your lashes. I guess we'll just go ahead and apply a second coat. I normally don't use second coats for a lot of mascaras, but for the sake of just showing you guys what it looks like with a second coat, let's just go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so this is with the second coat and I am much happier with the darkness of my lashes. It looks way more defined and way more bold. It did look a little more clumped up after the second coat, but that's just kind of to be expected. I think it still looks really wonderfully separated despite having taken that second coat, and it looks, you know, still very lengthened and super fluffy and pretty. So I'm pretty happy with it. You guys, you can see the difference between this eye and this eye, right? So let's just go ahead and finish up this eye, and yeah, we'll talk about my final verdict. Alright you guys, so I finished applying the mascara to my right eye. I of course did 2 coats just like on this eye, and I really feel like it really opens up my eyes a lot. It made my lashes super fluffy and lengthened and decently volumized with a second coat, especially for my personal preference. I am really liking this mascara so far. First impression is that I really like it. I approve. The only test left would be to see if it flakes or smudges, and I will definitely let you guys know whether it smudges or flakes down in the description bar below. So make sure you read the description if you're at all curious about how well it just hung on to my lashes and didn't flake all over the place. Thank you again to my beauty fam girly Unicorn Cute for requesting this video. I now may have found one of my new favorite mascaras. I don't know if it holds up well, and if they have a waterproof version, that would be a plus, and it might be one of my favorite mascaras. So I'm really excited at the prospect of finding another, yet again, great drugstore mascara. For those of you that may have tried this mascara already, what do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Does it separate, lengthen, and voluminize for you? Does it wear well? Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and we can just all share what we think about this product. For me personally, you already know what I think about it. I think it's great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. As always, I always appreciate you guys. Alright, so I guess that wraps up this review, this real quick review of the Total Temptation Maybelline Mascara. I really certainly enjoy filming little tiny reviews like this. It's really fun, and it's always really exciting to find new discoveries, you know? Again, if you are new, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate it, and if you're at all interested, feel free to join the Breath of Beauty family again, and if you do join, don't forget to click on the notification bell, because that's the way you find your way back to me, because the YouTube world is huge. And also, you don't miss out on any of my future videos, so yeah, why wouldn't you click on the cute little bell? Also, feel free to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, or Snapchat if you're at all curious about what I'm up to on a day-to-day basis, and it's just more of a casual platform for you to get to know me better, so go ahead and follow me. Let's be friends on Snapchat. Why not? And we can send each other cute Bitmoji stickers. Like, why wouldn't you want to do that with me? Alright, with all of that said, remember you guys, you are wonderful, amazing, and marvelous, no matter what anybody else tries to tell you. And please remember that I'm always rooting for you, and I'm so grateful that we are friends. Alright guys, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll hopefully see you in my next one. Bye!